Why do people embark on challenges? You go online, you see people saying they are on a 30-day challenge to reduce this, 30-day challenge, fitness challenge, 30-day diet challenge, 30 days making money challenge, and a lot of challenges that are going on. That's one question. Another question is, why do people hate people that go on challenges? These are two questions. Now I'm going to be addressing the first one because the second one is something that I can never ever find the answer to. There are so many categories of challenges that people embark on. It could be psychological, social, strategic, for strategic reasons, and it's a lot. It could be for health, fitness, and a lot of things. Why do people embark on challenges? Say, for example, you're embarking on a 30-day challenge to getting monetized on YouTube. Number one is to build a clear structure, and clear structure equals less overwhelming. A well-defined challenge gives people a concrete plan. 30 days feels manageable and it has a finish line, so which reduces the fear of starting. A lot of people have phobia for starting something. So when they put themselves in that confined time frame of, let's say, 30 days, 10 days, 5 days, 1 week, 6 months, it helps them start whatever it is that they want to start, to embark on. But if they don't do that, there might be procrastination, you might waste time, you might end up not doing something that you're supposed to do in just 2 weeks or 2 years. So challenges help you have a clear structure, and it gives you this less, burden of doing something, and it helps you to start. Now, if I just focus on what to do today, I don't have to worry about the whole journey. So you have started. Number two is building momentum and habit formation. According to research, it takes about 21 to 66 days to form a habit. So challenges tap into this building of habits, and it helps you have a daily discipline. Say, for example, you want to reduce fat or you want to cut on carbs. If you give yourself a 30-day challenge and you start today, tomorrow, you know that you have 30 days, you're marking your calendar, you know that, okay, there's a time frame. It helps you build discipline. And before you know it, discipline becomes a habit. Time check, TikTok 6 o'clock. Before you know it, you already formed the habit of not taking too much carbohydrates because of the challenge that you challenged yourself into. Doing something daily or consistently builds identity and belief. I'm the type of person that does not upload regularly. But if I give myself a 30-day challenge to upload every single day, then that's instant motivation. This brings me to the third point, which is instant motivation through constraints. Deadlines will spark urgency. When you have a deadline, you're urgent. You do things, within that limited luxury of time that you have. And the luxury of procrastination is gone forever. Four is community, accountability, and social proof. Many challenges are done in public or with peers, and also sharing progress adds accountability and builds a sense of community. Seeing others succeed boosts your motivation and creates social proof. If they can do it, you can do it too. That's the idea. Now, when I see a lot of creators go embarking on challenges and people under the comment section are saying a lot of crap, I'm like, these guys don't know what they are saying. Because if you're not self-disciplined enough, you can't do certain things. So if people are going on challenges and telling themselves they want to hit this in 30 days, they want to hit this thing in 30 days, in 6 months, let them do it. And I remember when Hilda Bassi said she wants to break the Guinness World Record for the longest cooking hours. She did so. Imagine if she had not set that goal of Guinness World Record, winning the Guinness World Record. She wouldn't do it. She will be cooking, yes, but she's not going to cook for that long hours. But because there's a set goal, that's why it was done. Take, for example, sportsmen or people who play football. If there is a competition, training is done. There's a regular periodic schedule for training. You guys will train for maybe 6 months, 3 months, depend on the competition you're going for. If there's no competition, a lot of players might not train as effective as they should when there is a competition. They might just wake up at their own time, do train at their own time, but because there's a competition, there's a set time. There is discipline as to when you wake up, when you start training, when you end training, what you eat, where you go to, and everything. Just like every other game, challenges feels like a game and some sort of achievement. It feels like a game. There's a goal, there's a path, and there's a reward. There might not be a physical reward, but there's this self-accomplishment that it gives you a sense of accomplishment to hit a particular dopamine. Now, if I hit this in 30 days, I really did show up, and that's something for me. Number six is marketing and engagement strategy for creators. For creators and brands, challenges drive engagement. More posts, more stories, more shares, audience growth. People love following the journey, content ideas built in themes for each day. You can't be short of content because you must put out something every single day. Let me take, for example, my 90-day YouTube challenge to becoming monetized on YouTube. If you start it, you're going to get monetized in 90 days. Number seven is clarity of purpose. Without a challenge, goals often stay vague. A challenge forces you to define what success looks like and take action. Instead of I want to grow, it becomes I want to post 3 quality videos per week for 30 days. There's nothing like I want to grow and you're just yapping about it without actually taking action. But with challenge, you know that you must do this. Now, the reason why challenge is beneficial, number one, I said it reduces stress and gives you an overall roadmap. It builds habits and it also creates long-term behavior change. Urgency pushes people to start now, not later. Accountability encourages follow through via social media. Progress tracking makes growth very visible and measurable. It's fun. A lot of you might say, oh, who is watching? The fact that you're tracking your progress yourself, whether somebody is watching you or not, it is something and it's an achievement that you should be proud of. Now, that being said, I have created a step-by-step guide into your YouTube monetization journey for the next 90 days. This is strictly for beginners, people who are below 1,000 subscribers and below 4,000 watch hour. This course is for you. You don't have to worry about anything. You don't need to know about anything. Just enroll in this course. The link is going to be in the description to join the WhatsApp group and be part of the 90 days YouTube monetization challenge strictly for beginners. Thank you guys for watching this video. Please don't fail to start that challenge. Don't fail to start that challenge. Regardless of what people are saying about it, regardless of people discouraging you, don't fail to start that challenge. And mind you, starting a challenge might not be something that you necessarily announce. Depends on what you're doing. You might not be like other content creators that are going to announce on their socials that they are doing this, they are doing that. It could be something personal that you say within yourself that are going to achieve. And you have a tracker, a progress tracker that is helping you to track your progress. You have a to-do list, you have a schedule, you have a routine, you have something you need to do. There's a plan, there's an organized plan, there's a plan that you organize and you execute, and then you monitor and you evaluate yourself. That's how it works. Before you know it, you will see that you're achieving something silently that a lot of people don't even know about. So start that challenge today. I am challenging you to start your challenge today. Thank you guys for watching this video. My name is Esther Alexander, and I'll see you guys in my next video.